If you don't know who this is by now, then you must be living underneath a rock. This is the hot tour girl that went viral for. I'm not gonna say it. Just comment in the comments, and you'll find out what she did, or just kind of research her and search her. She'll come up. She's absolutely just blown up. I guess now she's moving to New York and to LA to kind of start a career. She has a management team now from just like saying like two words. When it comes to people like this who blow up, they blow up and things just start moving so quick for them. And it's like, yeah, that's great and all, but it's like sometimes when you blow up too fast, things happen where you just kind of fall off. And one of the things I want to talk about is, yes, our generation, we say and do things that end up on the internet. We don't think about the consequences. So what happens if she falls off? Which I hope she doesn't, because I don't want to put that on anyone. What happens if she falls off? Now she's a regular person, now she wants to get a job, but like what she said is not necessarily like the best, light for someone who wants to have a different kind of career and trying to get a job. And I feel like we don't talk about that enough. When blowing up like this, you have to have some type of media agency that helps you get rid of like bad things on the internet about yourself that you no longer want to be seen. You have to have some type of online reputation service that helps you get rid of all these things that you did, that you made a mistake because she's young. She wasn't really, thinking about anything. Services like Rsquare Media helps you get rid of unwanted things online that you can just get rid of. If you're a young person or older person who's like her and you are out here, you are in social media and you've said and done things that you no longer want to be out there, click the link in our bio. Rsquare is going to help you get rid of things that you no longer want to be online.